How to give first aid for common animal injuries. Imagine you're walking in a park or working at an animal shelter when suddenly you see an animal in distress. Knowing how to respond quickly can make all the difference. Today, we'll go over simple steps to give first aid for common animal injuries. This knowledge is especially useful for those starting in animal care jobs or thinking about a career working with animals. Being prepared can help you handle emergencies confidently and safely. First, always think about safety. Injured animals might be scared or in pain and could bite or scratch. Use a towel or a muzzle to gently restrain the animal if needed. Never muzzle an animal that is vomiting or having trouble breathing. Next, control any bleeding by applying firm, steady pressure with a clean cloth or gauze. Keep the pressure for several minutes until the bleeding slows or stops. If the bleeding is severe and does not stop after 5 minutes, seek veterinary help immediately. Once bleeding is under control, clean the wound gently with saline solution or mild soap and water. Avoid using hydrogen peroxide or human antibiotic ointments unless a veterinarian advises you. After cleaning, cover the wound with a sterile gauze pad or nonstick dressing. Secure it lightly with tape or a bandage to prevent contamination. For burns, cool the area immediately with cool water or a damp cloth. Do not use ice because it can cause more tissue damage. If the animal is trying to bite or scratch, muzzle it to prevent further injury. If you suspect a fracture, immobilize the limb with a splint made from rigid material like cardboard or wood, padded with soft cloth. Do not try to move the animal more than necessary. Transport the animal carefully to a veterinarian. For poisoning, do not induce vomiting unless instructed by a veterinarian. Bring any packaging of the toxic substance to help with diagnosis. If heat stroke is suspected, move the animal to a cooler place, wet its fur with cool water, and offer water to drink. Avoid overcooling and seek emergency veterinary care if symptoms like heavy panting or disorientation continue. For eye injuries, do not rub the eye. Rinse gently with saline if debris is present and cover the eye with a clean cloth. Seek veterinary help immediately. For bites and scratches, clean the wound thoroughly with soap and water, apply an antibiotic ointment and bandage if needed. Watch for signs of infection, especially with cat bites, which tend to carry bacteria. Always keep a well-stocked first aid kit with items like gauze, scissors, disposable gloves, a thermometer, saline, and contact numbers for veterinarians and poison control. Learning these basic first aid steps helps animal care workers respond quickly and effectively. It can reduce pain and prevent further injury until professional help arrives. Taking a first aid course for animals is a smart move for anyone interested in starting a career with animals. It builds confidence and ensures you're ready to help animals in emergencies.